But then in the Philippines, what did you do? Well, we cannot even cross.
You cannot cross the street. Nobody stop
I
there.
think it's already 10 minutes.
When they say will you cross the street, they will pop, 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 pop.
Yeah.
You don't stop.
Yeah. Even we are already on the pedestrian, on the zebra pad. Good morning, Kanet friends. Spring na ngayon dito pero paulan-ulan, marami pa ring ulan. Iniisip ko kung anong gagawin natin ngayon. Pero gusto kong sabihin na, alam niyo ba na dito sa Belgium, minsan merong 4 na weather sa isang araw. Kunyari, sa umaga, pwedeng sumikat ang araw. Tapos mga bandang tanghali, pwede ring umulan. Tapos minsan, kapag ka nag-aano yung snow, yung between spring at saka winter, pwede rin mag-snow. Sa loob ng isang araw, minsan merong 4 na weather. Tapos sa hapon, magwi-windy, tapos cloudy lang. Yun, ganun ang Belgium. Pero, I can't complain. Kailangan natin lahat yan. Miminti muna tayo. Yan, Oops. Alam nyo, sinasamantala ko yung pagka-spring to hanggang summer, yung mint namin sa likod. Kasi, syempre, masarap yan, tsaka healthy. Pagka hindi season, pag kunyari winter, yung munang Lipton-Lipton. Pero yan, mas masarap yan. Yan. Lagyan mo lang ng konting lemon. Ayos na. Tsaka, konting honey. Honey, honey, chu-chu-chu-chu-chu. Honey, honey. Ito yung honey ni David. Napakasarap. Pero since yung honey ni David, itong si Daniel nagre-reklamo, matabang daw. So, dadagdagan natin ng konting sugar. Ayan. Ayan, okay na. Ay, bakit? This time, last time kasi, nahuli yung pag-greetings ko ng good morning. Ubos na yung minty namin, kaya nag-pretend na lang kami. Kung napanood nyo yung last vlog ko. So this time, meron na talagang laman, ha? Alam ko na kung anong gagawin natin ngayon. I-interviewin natin si Daniel kung mga simpleng interview lang. Kasi ayaw niya na ini-interview. Yung tinatanong ng na naka-public list, syempre kahit naman sino. Pero hindi naman ako magtatanong ng slightly mga personal lang niya, preference. Kunyari yung masasabi niya nung nagpunta siya sa Pilipinas, ano yung pinakagusto niyang pagkain sa mga Filipino foods, katulad ng mga ganon. Tapos anong masasabi niya sa basta, mamaya tatanungin natin siya. Okay.
Ito kasing si Daniel, isa sa hindi niya bet sa pagpunta ng Pilipinas ay yung travel time. Masyadong mahaba. Biro nyo yun yung nakaupo siya sa ng 12 hours lang, pero pati na yung mga waiting time umaabot ng 20 to 25. Kaya yun, madalang lang siya sa Pilipinas. Pero hali kayo, tanungin din natin siya.
At saka, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung i-flex ko yung mga ubas ngayon. Ito yan ayan yung umbrella. Etong isa, tinanim ni Daniel dito yung mga binunot niya doon. 'Di ba 'yon? Pinalitan niya ng mga cherry. Ay, tingnan niyo. Yan Dali, pakita ko yung mga bunga ng cherry. Hindi ko alam kung maisusum ko. Hindi ko alam kung etong aking camera hindi ko pa nakalutkot lahat. So, ayan o nga. Ayan. Dami. Hindi ko alam kung nabanggit. Palagay ko nabanggit ko na itong cherry na ito. Sandali. Bigay ko muna tong kape niya. An! Yuti! Na itong cherry na ito, ano ba? Ang tawag doon? Yung dalawang puno sa isa. Ayan, nakalimutan ko na. Nagkaka-Alzheimer na ako. Hindi pa naman ako ganun katanda. Hindi ko alam. So, itong kabila, red ang bunga. Itong kabila, yellowish also. So, makikita nyo yan. So, papakita ko sa inyo kapag nag-reddish na yung isa. So, for the meantime, bigay natin itong coffee kay Daniel at saka ako kayo i-flex dito sa ubas. Good morning. Say good morning, net friends.
Thank you.
Good morning, net friends.
Good morning, net friends.
Is that our compost? Uy.
Ooh.
It's hot.
Can you pick it up and put it in there?
No, I will flex to
pick it up?
them. I will flex to them my vineyard. My Hindi vineyard vineyard. And later, what? The airplane.
Ang sabi ko sa kanya tatanungin ko siya mamaya ng konti kung ano masasabi niya tungkol sa Pilipinas. Tingnan niyo, bakit daw ako sunod na sunod sa kanya. Hay na. Tapos kung ano-ano ng dahilan. Kunyari may gagawin pa siya doon, may gagawin siya diyan. Akala niya makakaligtas siya. Alam niyo masyadong foggy ngayon. Akala ko yung lens ko ang may problema at malabo. Hindi pala.
Ito yung natin yung ano ba yan? Umbrella grapes. Ayan o. Yan siya o. Ang dami-dami. Ang dami kong binawas dito Pero marami pa rin siyang ibubunga. Yan o. Yan. Parang yung nag-ano ko sa kamatis. Natumba. Natumba siya. Natumba siya. Ito kasi yung ano, mga bago. Dali, ayusin ko muna. Ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng tali muna dito. Kasi ito yung mga bago eh. Hindi ko lang alam. Kailangan ko ng pruner dito kasi gusto ko lang na isang shoot cane ang itatayo ko hanggang dito. Kaya lang isa, dalawa, tatlo. Tatlo silang umaakyat hanggang dito. Ito aalisin ko to. Pero hayaan ko na muna siya na ganyan. Okay, Kanet friends, okay na. Ay, pakita ko lang sa inyo itong ano, itong mga, ano ba to? Prumen. Ayan. Ang daing bunga ngayon, no, hanggang dito. Kasi last year, alam nyo, hindi ito masyadong namunga. Tapos ngayon, hitik na hitik. Ayan, no, dae. Matutuwa na naman yung mga kaibigan natin na kukuha ngayon dito. Tsaka yung mga ibon. I will ask you some questions.
Yeah.
It's just a random questions. We did not orient with this. Tell me, give me 2 or maybe 3 some negative or positive experiences when you went to the Philippines. How many times did you went already in the Philippines?
5 times.
5 times. And on those 5 times, oh, that's stuffy. And on those 5 times, give me a positive.
Positive.
Yes.
The
Nature,
Philippines.
yes, nature or the food.
Yeah,
or
the nature is okay in the Philippines. I visited the Pinatubo volcano. That's nice.
yeah,
we
we
go
went
with
there.
4-wheel drive
4x4.
up to the mountain.
Oo.
It's like Jurassic Park.
Yeah, and there is even lahar, you know. We saw the, and you felt also the water is still
Still hot.
still warm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice.
that's nice. But when we saw the Aitas, our ancestors, he felt a little bit sad. Why, Han? When we saw our ancestors, the Aitas that were washing their clothes.
They're washing clothes and the drivers.
Yung naglalaba sila sa,
Drivers,
sa river.
Yeah, they cross the river where they are washing, and all the mud is on the washing clothes. You don't respect them. Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Kasi dito, because here, even in the Sibrapad, we have so many negative experiences when we are crossing in the Philippines. Even there is already pedestrian lane. Here in Belgium, when there is a Sibrapad, they call it here Sibrapad. When there is a pedestrian lanes, the drivers has to stop automatically. Even if it's just one person, even everywhere, they need to stop. The people were always priority. But then in the Philippines, what did you do? We cannot even cross.
You cannot cross the street. Nobody stop there.
I think it's already 10 minutes.
When they say will you cross the street, they will pop.
Yeah.
You don't stop.
Yeah. Even we are already on the pedestrian, on the Sibrapad, they will not stop unless you will run for your life. It's like a marathon. But me before, after years here living in Belgium, I'm not. I'm already scared also when I'm crossing in the Philippines, even in the pedestrian lane. So that is negative. And then what else? Positive. The food. Yeah, but
The galunggong is nice.
he's
I like galunggong in the Philippines.
he's difficult.
fish.
He's difficult. He's not fond of
Filipino
Asian
foods.
Filipino foods like pancit, yung mga talagang kinakain natin, yung mga dish natin, yung
Jollibee. Jollibee. McDonald's.
basic lang siya. Hindi naman kasi mahilig sa mga fancy restaurants eh.
The mango in the Philippines.
Ayun, yun mango. Shrimp, ayaw din niya. Yung
Shrimp,
lechon, ayaw din
mango,
niya.
galunggong.
Yung galunggong. Yan lang ang gusto niya. Kung ano yung pinakamurang isda. Pusit, hindi rin siya kumakain. Seafoods, oysters, mozzarella.
Well, yes.
You don't eat eh?
Jawel, I eat.
Oysters.
No, oysters no. Mosselen, ja. Mol, ja.
Mozzarella niya. And what is your favorite food again? Filipino food?
Galunggong. No tilapia. Tilapia is no good.
What are we doing when for example, I go with you in the market. In the market, in public market, not in the mall, not in the supermarket.
I have to stay away. Otherwise the price is double.
So I will ask him, and you have to. I go first. I go ahead, and then I will give you a sign if the negotiation is already done. Because I have experience when I am with him, the price is going always double. So in the market, but hey, what are you going to do with that? It's not real, It's just to scare the birds. If I click, do you need to have a bullet with this?
Whoa.
Is it real or what?
Not real.
Yeah, just to scare the birds because there is a concurrency with the cherries.